Hi everyone, and welcome to Cocktails with Claudia. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a gin fizz. So first we're going to add 1 shot of gin to our shaker. Then we're going to take a teaspoon of powdered sugar and add that right in. Next we're going to go ahead and slice a lemon in half. Depending on how citrusy you like your drinks, you can either do a half or a whole lemon. I really enjoy my drink extra sour, so I add the whole lemon. You can always experiment and figure out what level of citrus you enjoy the best. I also love using this little strainer that I have because it keeps the seeds out of my drink. Then you can remove your strainer and you're going to grab 3 cubes of ice and add that right into your shaker. You always want to stir your gin and not shake it no matter what drink you're making, because when you shake it with the ice, it breaks down the botanicals and it lessens the flavor. Once I finally got the stir to get through the ice, I was able to give it a good stir. Then you're going to go ahead and grab whatever glass you're going to be enjoying your beverage out of. You're going to fill that one with ice as well. You'll need the lid for your shaker, and you'll also need a cup of club soda. And you're going to pour both of these items into your glass at the same time so that they mix evenly. It may seem like your drink is finished, but you have to add the final touch. I grabbed some fresh lemon balm from the garden, gave it a quick smack to release the oils, and I threw it right on top of my drink. And there you go, a refreshing gin fizz. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to have a great day.
So now we're going to your bedroom. Don't you think we're moving too soon? I love to hear you when you complain about your best friend, how she's so late.